So when you think of a control room, I guess the first thing that comes to mind is that traditional control room, which is an emergency setting, answering 999 calls and coordinating resources to respond to emergencies. But of course it's diversified so much in more recent times. It includes both clinical and non-clinical offerings, and not only is it the 999 and that emergency setting, but also in the urgent health setting for us with the 111 service, where we see again clinical and non-clinical teams working together for patients with different needs. So the setting's really unique. It's a four-walled setting. You spend a lot of time with the same people, which is great because it allows some really good friendships and camaraderie to show itself. But I think the fact that it is the type of work that it is, it can be very, very high pressure. And there's really little, there's not many places to go to let go of that. And so the relationship with colleagues is so important as those services are provided. So I've got a control room background myself, first in the police and then coming across into the ambulance service, and it's a fantastic career. It's been a great career for me. I really enjoyed being in the control room setting because I think what I liked was being right in the middle and in the thick of everything that was going on. Of course, the police environment is a very different one to the ambulance environment, but the setting is the same, so there's a lot that's very similar. I found it hugely rewarding to know that I finished my shift and I was able to do my part to help many more people than perhaps I might have been able to do in that more one-to-one type setting. So to finish what is International Control Room Week, I just want to put out there a huge thank you, of course, to our own staff, but any staff who work in that setting, and it doesn't matter whether it's what you would consider a traditional control room or of course those more diversified clinical settings like our 111 service. A huge kudos to staff that do it. It's not an easy job, it's a very rewarding job, and I just want to say thank you for all that you do.